We don't even think about it, but right now you're speeding at 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's how the Earth rotates at the equator. And just imagine, at one moment, the planet stops abruptly, just for 1 minute. Imagine, you are standing on the seashore, and suddenly the Earth stops abruptly, just for 1 minute. What's going to happen? Spoiler alert, you definitely won't like it. Inertia. Everything that is not bolted to the Earth's crust will continue to fly forward. Houses, cars, trees, even yourself will be thrown out at a speed of hundreds of meters per second. You will definitely break all speed limits. Let's say you are in New Jersey in the city of Newark. In a minute of flight, you will fly to New York, which is located 20 kilometers to the east. Happy housewarming. How do you like this flight? Oceans. The water in the oceans moves with the rotation. When the Earth slows down, it will splash out forward. This will create a mega tsunami hundreds of meters high. Let's imagine the height of a typical tsunami is about 10 to 30 meters, and here it is 200 to 300 meters. For a second, the Eiffel Tower is 300 meters high. Coastal cities will be washed away, and entire countries will be submerged. Finally, you will be able to visit the sea. Atmosphere. The air rotates with the Earth. When it stops, it continues to fly. This will cause winds of up to 1,600 kilometers per hour. For comparison, a Category 5 hurricane equals 250 kilometers per hour. The wind will be 6 times stronger here. The result? Forests will be uprooted, skyscrapers will be demolished, planes will be torn apart in the air. After 60 seconds, the rotation returns. But the oceans and atmosphere have already shifted. The Earth will catch up with them, which will trigger a new wave of tsunamis and hurricanes. That is, we will get a double catastrophe. First a blow from inertia, then a rollback. The consequences: billions of victims all over the world. There will be no more cities off the coast. The continents will be partially washed underwater. Fact: 1 minute can set a civilization back hundreds of years. People will survive, but it will be a new stone age. The final 1 minute, and our entire civilization would have disappeared. And what would you do in the first seconds? It's good that these are just words. But what if